One's going to be kind of a sad one for me. I have to send back this computer. It's been about a month, so that's the time's up in the contract with it, and I would definitely like to spend more time with it, but just as of right now, we got to send it back. But I do want to thank CLX. For those of you guys who have no idea what this video is about, I did kind of a collab with them, or I guess I did do a collab with them. Basically, they said that they would send this PC to me. It's an absolute beast. If you guys want to go watch the video, it should be tagged like up here somewhere. But yeah, they sent me this computer about a month ago. I made 2 videos on it. I did an unboxing and I did a review on this system and on the PC that they sent me, and I edited all those videos and stuff like that on here, and it's been absolutely amazing. It's been performing great. I've been playing on this 1440p monitor, like all those COD games, all that kind of stuff with ray tracing. It's been amazing. And I just want to say thanks to CLX for sending this over to me. I'm super lucky that you guys even considered sending this over to me. I don't think that a whole lot of people can expect like their first go around with a company that they get a PC like this to sit down and check, and even then they usually probably wouldn't give people a referral program. So they've been more than generous, and I just want to say thank you for sending this whole entire thing over. It's been an amazing experience, and I'll definitely look forward to working with you guys anytime in the future on any of the kind of stuff that you guys want to send me over. It's been amazing. But on the topic of just like having a beast computer, my own computer isn't that great. The computer that I have in my room, so this is just kind of the little studio setup that we have. But yeah, so my computer in my room isn't that great. We won't be able to edit any IRL content that I'm doing right here, just because my computer doesn't have anywhere near the horsepower that this thing does. It has a Ryzen 5 1600, amazing value chip, but not great for editing 4K 60 FPS footage. So yeah, we're definitely going to need to get upgrades sometime here in the future, which again, I want to thank CLX for sending that referral program, because everything does pan out. I should be able to get enough money from that to hopefully get an okay upgrade, and I'll definitely be putting some of my money into it so I can get a much better overall upgrade to my system, so that we can do more IRL stuff and do like more system reviews if we can get them in. So that'll be kind of fun, and I'll definitely be like videoing that whole entire series and stuff like that. But yeah, and since we did hit 1,000 subscribers, it kind of talked about this in my last video, but it kind of opens up a little bit of a gateway to other companies where I can kind of sit down and talk to them, and hopefully kind of work out a deal to where I can review one of their systems for them. That'd be pretty crazy. I definitely have a couple companies in mind. I've contacted a couple, just kind of waiting for responses right now. But if you guys have any in mind that you guys would like me to contact, again, you guys can go down in the comments section below. And we can try to kind of get some stuff worked out so we can do some more system reviews. So that's kind of all I really had to say for this video. It's just kind of a sad going away video, saying that this thing's served me well. I've been doing all the work that I wanted to do, and being able to play some games on it has been absolutely amazing. Again, I want to thank CLX for sending me over this system. I know it probably wasn't cheap to ship this whole entire thing to me. And kind of put all the things together, and I know that's probably a lot more than most companies would even consider using on a small YouTuber like me, and I really appreciate that. And as well, I mean, I hope that you guys do this more with other people. I think that this opportunity that you gave me definitely kind of boosted my quality level, not in just being able to have a higher performance system to edit on, but giving me the experience to sit down and edit more videos. So I mean, I haven't really edited a whole lot of IRL content, but this is actually the timeline from the video that I made on their original system review. And I mean, as you can see, it's a lot more work than I usually do. It's not crazy, but it's definitely a lot more work than I've put into a lot of my other videos. So I just want to say thank you again, and that's probably really all I had to say. So if you guys want to see more kind of content, hopefully we can keep on posting more stuff like this, and we'll talk to you guys later.